Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your BMW X4. First, let's talk about safety. Always wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and not touching each other. You will find the positive and negative jump-starting terminals conveniently located under the hood of your BMW X4, often marked with a plus and minus sign. This preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jump start. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive cable clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal on your BMW X4, usually found under a red cap. Next, connect the other end of this red positive cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Double-check that both connections are firm and stable to ensure a good electrical circuit. Moving on to the negative cables. Connect one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. For your BMW X4, attach the other end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal part of the engine block or a dedicated ground point. It is very important to avoid connecting this cable directly to the dead battery's negative terminal for safety reasons. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your BMW X4's battery. Then, try to start your BMW X4. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes and try again. Once your BMW starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order for safety. Negative from your BMW, then negative from the assisting vehicle, then positive from the assisting vehicle, and finally positive from your BMW.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.